Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing the BeautyFix box by Dermstore, and this is going to be the February 2025 box that we are going to be opening up today. Now this subscription, you guys know I love it. It is one of my favorite beauty subscriptions to receive. It's on my top 10 list for best subscription boxes out there as well. They not only will send you great brands and full-size products, it's also a great value for what you're receiving every month as well. So it won't break the bank. So we're going to do an unboxing of their latest box. We're going to check it all out, but I also have a sale for you guys today too. So this is the BeautyFix box presented by Dermstore. Now Dermstore is an online retailer. They originally started out selling only skincare products and hence the name Derm. And so that was their main focus, but over the last couple of years, they've really transitioned into just a major beauty outlet. So you can buy makeup on there now besides just skincare. There's hair care, there's everything you can find on there. There's perfumes now. So they're just a massive brand online that has all sorts of beauty products available. And then from those products, they will create a subscription box once a month with products that they carry on their website. So in here, you could receive anything that's on their website. And that's what makes it better, because as they add more brands to their website and work with other companies, the greater potential those brands are going to be inside of this box as well. So I love when they announce that they're partnering up with new brands. I'm like, yes, we might get that. But if you guys want to check out this subscription box, I of course will have a link listed down below for you. It is a monthly subscription that will renew each month. What I always recommend with this box is to prepay ahead for multiple boxes at once. That way you will not only save money off of your subscription, you're also going to get free shipping on your box as well. So if you order this as a 1-month box and you want to pay every single month, they will charge you a shipping fee for it. And it's like $7 or $8 a month for that shipping fee. You can do that, but I will tell you, there's a much cheaper way and a better way. So if you decide to purchase 3 boxes at a time and do a 3-month plan, you will pay roughly $20 a month per box, and then you're going to get free shipping on top of that because you opted to prepay ahead. So I'm going to be posting down below my discount code that will save you 15% off of your subscription. But then, like I said, that free shipping is auto applied if you do more than 1 month at a time. The other thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is Dermstore actually sent me an email this morning and let me know that there is going to be a sale starting next week. So I went ahead and read through all the details and I was like, this might be one my viewers are interested in. So if you guys are needing any sort of beauty products, you just want to stock up, whatever it may be, they are going to have several different brands available up to 20% off. Now, as far as I know, you don't have to enter a coupon code. It's just going to be a reduced price point. So I will be posting the details down below. It's a part of their spring refresh program. This is the best sale I've seen this year for 2025, and they have lots of brands that are going to be included. So it's available for 1 week. I'll probably post up a community post here on YouTube as well, just to remind you guys. But like I said, it's a great time if you need to stock up on anything, you want to try something out, you could have a reduced price. I mean, why not save a little? The only thing I don't know is sometimes my discount code where you can save 15% off will work on top of those sales, and sometimes it doesn't. So my advice would be to just try it, because there's no harm in trying it. You might as well see. But I would think if it's just a sale price, that would mean you could add a coupon code on top of it. I would think. So just try it out. The coupon code never changes. It's down below. You can use that at any time on the website. But I would just see maybe during that week, if you can stock up, save some money on the sale, and get a discount with my code, I mean, that's a win-win. All right, let's get into this February box. So inside, this is what it looks like here. This is going to be worth it. I can tell you guys already, this is definitely worth the $20 that I spent on it. So we're going to start with this product here. I believe this is a full-size product, and it definitely just paid for my box, you guys. So this is coming from Medicate. This is the Crystal Retinol Ceramide I-10. So this is an eye cream that's designed to smooth out the lines, get rid of fine wrinkles, and maybe even like some crow's feet in there. But it's also going to lift up any sort of that skin in there to really tighten everything up in that area. Now, the reason why it's called Retinol 10 is because Medik8 does have different variations of their retinol products. So this one is actually going to be really strong considering it's 10. I believe they have, I think they go in increments of 3. It's like 3. No, that doesn't make sense if it's 10. But they have different ones. And the lower the number, the reduced strength that it has. So this one being a 10, like I said, it's going to be a really strong dose of retinol. And it's really going to get in there to get rid of those lines and wrinkles. So in addition to the retinol, there is vitamin A in here as well. And it says that this one will make the eye area a little bit firmer, smoother, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and crow's feet. It says it's recommended for those who have comfortably used the Medik8 Crystal Retinol Ceramide Eye number 6. So the idea is you want to build up the intensity. If you start out with a strong retinol product, it usually will cause a reaction. Your skin has to adjust and get used to retinol first. So you can increase the intensity provided you've already had a foundation of that beforehand. So if this is the first time that you've had this product, you might want to wait to use it or use it in a very small amount and not every single day. I mean, maybe even once a week just to get your skin used to it. But even according to their directions, they would recommend that you start with a lower a lower intensity. And that way your skin could get used to it. Then you could bump it up and go to this level next. And that way your skin is adjusted to that degree of retinol. So this is what the product looks like outside of the box. It doesn't look like a full-size product, but it is. There is quite a bit in here. If you think about the eye area, you don't need a lot of product there. So even though it's 15 mil or half an ounce, I do feel like this is gonna last a long time. And if you have to, wait for your skin to get adjusted to it too, it'll even last longer. The next item that we have in here today is from Wander Beauty. This is their Double Date Lip and Cheek product. So this is what the packaging will look like. This is a cruelty-free brand, and the shades that we have are Honeymoon and Swipe. So I'm guessing, well, I guess they said it's lip and cheek. So I'm guessing you could use both of these in both places then. It is a balm formula, and it says it's designed to give you hydration, but it's also going to seamlessly sink into your skin for a natural finish. The universal clear balm will coat your lips and cheeks comfortably for a moisturized feel, but then the tinted balm is what's going to give you obviously that color. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have one color, one clear product in here. So this is what it looks like. It is a stack. I do think this is a beautiful shade. So it's got that rosy pink color to it. The idea again, it's a balm, so you could put this on your lips, your cheeks if you want to blend it in. And then down below will be that clear balm. And there is a mirror up here at the top as well. Now this balm, ironically, it doesn't look very clear to me, but apparently it will go down to give you that kind of moisturized finish. I do think this would be a nice little compact to take with you, especially if you did want to add a little bit of color to your lips. You could just take a little bit, just do a quick little touch up. You know what I mean? Like great on the go product. So I think this is really convenient, and it's kind of nice that they're all stacked together. Now this is also a full-size product that we have here, so love that. I know Wander Beauty products are not super expensive, but again, it's the beauty world. Everything I feel like is so high anymore that $20 for my box, I'm sure this is more than $20 to purchase. I mean, just because, lately beauty has been so expensive, you guys. I went to Sephora and I was looking at these different brands, and I cannot believe how much brands are charging for their products now. The next item that we have in here is a travel size that we have from La Roche-Posay. This is their Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. It is 15 mil or half an ounce, and there is an expiration date on here of 2027. I don't usually see expiration dates on cleansers, so we got a long time to use this. But this one is that foaming wash. It's designed to not strip your skin, and it's safe for sensitive skin as well. This one says that it's specifically for dry to extra dry skin. So if you have really dry skin this winter, this will be perfect. We also have a product in here from Evelyn. This is the Rescue Mask, and it is 15 ml or half an ounce. You will notice it's a little bit dusty. Do you see all that on there? So that is the only thing I don't love about this beauty box is they use the black crinkle paper in here to protect the items. And it does protect them. I mean, honestly, you guys, I don't think I've ever had anything damaged in here. I don't think. Maybe I've forgotten, but that's not the point. My point is that the black crinkle papers always leave a little bit of a dust on the products. And when it's a white product like this, it shows up so much more so. So it kind of looks a little dusty. It has no bearing on the product. It's going to work fine. I can obviously wipe it off, but that's what you're seeing. But this mask is designed to be a rescue mask. So if you have really dry skin again, it's going to give you that hydration. It's also going to repair any damage that you might have from having really dry skin as well. So it goes hand in hand with the cleanser actually. Now the next item that we have is from R&Co. This is called Waterfall, and it is their Moisture and Shine Lotion. So this is designed for your hair. Well, at least I think it is. R&Co is a hair care brand. Let me double check. Maybe they did do something for your hands. Moisture and, yeah, but it would make sense to have a shiny lotion, right? Let me see here. Yeah, apply to wet hair. Okay, so this is designed for your hair and it will give you a little bit of shine back to your hair. It's gonna cut down on frizz as well. It is a cruelty-free brand and I do feel like there's enough product in here to try this out. It's only a sample at half an ounce here, but even if you have long hair, I feel like there's enough that you could do this a few times. Last item that we have in here today is from SkinCeuticals. Great brand, very expensive. This particular product is a peptide serum and it's designed to give you a glass skin radiance. So it's gonna give you like that really shiny look. And then it's also going to fight off wrinkles at the same time. So 4 ml of product. This one is a sample. I will say, Dermstore will send a lot of these SkinCeutical samples in their subscriptions. So I have now gotten to try several different products from this skincare company. And they work. I mean, they're amazing products. But the problem I have is it's not enough product to use it for very long. So then inevitably I fall in love with a product that I really like. And then when I go to buy this product, it's $150. Like, it's not even just a little expensive. To me, it is really expensive. So, you know, I'm just going to tell you guys, it works. It's a great brand, great product, but try it at your own risk. And I just mean by that, if you get addicted to this product, there's a good chance you're going to be spending good money on this as well. So that is everything inside of the BeautyFix box for February. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of this box here today? Honestly, it's as good as always. I definitely made back the $20 that I spent on this box. We saw that just with the Medicate product that paid for this. Now, I do feel like you can definitely see the winter idea with the products that are included in this box. I do like that we got a little bit of makeup in there. I'm hoping that they will do more makeup products going forward. It's always traditionally been a skincare box, but because they're partnering up with so many different makeup brands, I'm hoping to see more of that in their boxes. Even perfumes would be nice too. So I do feel like this is a great curation. It fits the season. I understand why we got so many of these products here in the middle of February. So I do think they did a great job on this box. Now, I know there's not a lot of time left in the month of February. If I'm not mistaken, this video is going to be going live on the very last day of the month. So if you want this exact box that I just showed you guys, you have to place your order in February. If you place your order March 1st or after, you're going to receive the March box, which I'm sure is going to be just as good. I have no doubt that it won't be a good box. It's just that if you want these particular products, you have to order in February. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!